Hi guys, and welcome to Simple As. In this video I want to demonstrate what website to use if you have multiple apps to install on your Windows 10 machine. I came across this website and I wanted to share it with you, and I think it is brilliant, very simple to use and very fast and reliable, and it takes about 2 or 3 clicks and everything is done for you. So basically I want to show you first. The website is called Nite. And here it is here. Install or update multiple apps at once. So select it, basically scroll down and you will see a large list of apps you want to install. So basically say you want to install Chrome, you want to install Skype and iTunes and say TeamViewer or whatever. Scroll down to the bottom, get your Nite. Give it a few seconds to download. In the bottom left you will see it has pulled in your programs that you require. If you left click once, preparing the setup. Are you sure you want to use this? Yes. And that's it. Show details and get the information. It can check to see if your laptop is running on 32-bit or 64-bit. We'll choose the appropriate program, install it. It will keep everything up to date, and as you can see it downloads and installs everything without. It's a very handy, easy to use website and very useful for me. So as you can see, it is very quick. So guys, that's as simple as. Thanks for watching.